Hello everyone and welcome to the Professional DevOps Learning Channel with DevOps Engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to create a team. First, what you're gonna do, you're gonna get on the GitHub website using this link. Step 1, you click on your profile picture. Step 2, you're gonna click on your organizations. However, this time you're gonna click on your organization link instead of clicking new organization. Then you're gonna click on Teams. Then you're going to click on New Team. Within this, you can create separate teams to give people in your organization different tasks. For example, a team of developers, a team of coders, and a team of pull requesters. These guys will manage the pull requests and merge pull requests. We'll talk about these later on. Step 6, add a team name, and the description is optional. Enter description, which is optional. That's what I wrote. Step 8, enter the visibility. How visible do you want it to be? Do you want it to be a secret team or a visible team so that everyone in the organization can see it? Step 9, enable or disable notifications. Then what you're going to do lastly is you're going to create a team, and there you have it. That's how you create a team. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.